Hey guys, what's up? It's Yvonne. For today's video, we're gonna be decorating the car with some Christmas decorations to get in the Christmas spirit. I don't know if you guys have seen this all over social media, but basically you put like Christmas lights all over your vehicle or gift wrap paper, things like that. So if you guys want to see me decorate the car, just keep on watching. But the first thing that I'm gonna do is rinse the car, since I am gonna put like the wrapping paper on the hood. It is a little dirty, so I don't want to cover that dirtiness up, so we're gonna rinse it and wipe it down. Here is the things I got. So the gift wrap paper says ho 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 and then we got this bow and these like red and green tinsel stems, whatever they're called. I don't know. We're gonna see what to do with those, but yeah. Alright guys, so I just basically rinsed the car. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dry it. Alright guys, so now that it's all dried up, we're gonna go ahead and open the hood so I could be able to wrap the gift paper underneath. But here is the gift paper. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this first because I don't reach when the hood is up. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna give it extra. Alright guys, so this is what I got so far. Literally the whole hood. Oh yeah, by the way, I took off the Notorious VQ words on the top and I put El Darwin. His name is Darwin. But yeah, I'm gonna close the hood now and continue. Guys, it's looking pretty good. Excuse that line, I had to tape it right here just because it wasn't big enough and we don't want that paper to be flying up to the windshield. But I just need the little corners right there and I love it. It looks so cool. Look at that. We got them ho-ho-hos. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put the bow. I was thinking to put it on the hood, but it is gonna flap with the wind and it's gonna come right off. And this has like the little twisty thingy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it right in here. I don't know how I'm gonna twist it. I think I should have left the hood open in case I could stick my hand in there. But I didn't do that, so let's see. I'm just gonna try to like curve it or something. Let's see. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to do that. I have to open the hood and see if I could stick my hand in there. Alright guys, so basically I just tied it around here. That looks good right there. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these things, but we're gonna kind of go around here in the inside and make something with it. I'm gonna go ahead and put green at the top and like red at the bottom. So I'm just gonna do it. I don't know. Oh, but I can't twist it. Well, I think I want to put like green in here. Okay. Alright. I don't know how I'm going to twist this, to be honest. Again, I should have kept the thing open, but I didn't. If I put it like in here. Okay, maybe in this one. But if I do, they're too little, you can't even see them. Okay, maybe I'll do like a few together. Alright guys, so basically I went ahead and put this green looking branches, if you want to say it like that, but then I put a little red dot so it could look like a little holly tree sticking out. But I think that's where I'm gonna stop. It looks pretty good and I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood now. Okay guys, like look at this. Tell me that doesn't look badass. I did a pretty darn good job. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, see that? I can't wait to see it in the daytime, but in the nighttime with the lights, looks pretty cool. All right guys, one more time. Look at that. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I always say, see y'all later!